Transoceanic Y600 Zenith Super Deluxe radio. There's some writing on the manual and the schematics. Chassis 6T41Z. It's awfully clean. What goes there? The manual. Something goes on the back door. I don't know what. It's got the dial map. Antenna's in great shape. It's at 2-4 MC, and it's on the dial indicator about 3.2. 4-8.
Pedir a estas antiguas a estrategias del bobo y recuperar cosas quizás de una forma deshonesta.
That's weather, marine, and shortwave broadcast for 4 to 8 MC. So it's picking up on those two bands. BC
is northeast.
That's just AM, I guess.
And a throw to first. Aoki's back in time.
Brewers. 16 megahertz. Dial light works. Well, that 16M is for morning shortwave, and it's not really picking much up. This is the all day. Picks up at about 15.475. And then pretty much just static.
Predators really on the registry. It's good to know they're in the neighborhood. But
25M.
They are the guy next door.
11.55.
And I would suggest appearance.
A un momento así como que una
11.7, 11.75, 11.8.
Esta organización explica que las escuelas.
A lot of Mexican, Spanish, South American channels, it seems. And then dead from about 15.3 to 15.6. 31M. Time is 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, a little bit later. Just trying to pick up something at the end of the band. Something at about 9.85, 9.81, 9.8, 9.75, 9.725, 9.7, 9.575, 9.56, 9.5, 'It's a sweetheart. I'd like to say it's working, but you know, other than what you see here in the video, I have no idea. And it goes to the high bidder on fabulous eBay.